Hope my screen is visible. IntelliJ IDEA.
Yes, sir.
So, as per discussion, today we are going to discuss how we can find a previous node of a given data or element in the linked list, right? And so that we can perform like remove or delete an element, right? So let's think as a concept. First, whenever you create any linked list, oh, this is the scenario. Okay, let us. I want to delete this element. Okay, let's see example here. Let's we have a 5, 7, 9, 8, and 9. Okay, excuse me. So if you want to remove this element, then first you find this node. What is the node 8? What is the element user pass? The first you find this node. When you find this node, then for removing this linked list, the currently after 7 you jump to the next. Okay, you should jump from 7. You have to jump to the 9. Jump to the 9. So how it's possible? It's possible 9 node the address hold by the your current node, this 8 node. So whatever the value is stored next here, you can just copy from here to here. Okay, if you paste this value, whatever the value here, paste in this nest, previous nest, then your code jump from here to here. This is automatically deleted. The first you have to find the current node, because current node you want to remove. So whatever the next part, next address, this address you have to put the previous node. This is the previous node. The first you have to find the previous node. If you find the previous node, in the previous node next value, you can put the found node the next value. It's correct. In this way we can remove the element, but the problem is how to find this previous node, because once you start from header, this is our header, first node is a header, head part. You can start from head to jump here. So whenever you are jumping from head to next head, so this is the one variable temporary which you are traversing from this to this to this to this, right? The same time you can hold another variable, previous variable. Whenever you jump from temp to next, you can hold the previous value is this, and your temp will become a this. Whenever you jump from temp next to next, when you jump here, then you can change your temp to the previous value now. So instead of here, what I am going to write for finding the previous element, you write this note, this note, this note, this note. So what the currently you have a take a two variable. First your primary your previous variable, and one for your initially. Let's start both are the temp variable to your node. Let's check head not equal to null. Yes, then jump to the next. So whenever you jump T to here. Don't move the P. P should be there. When you check it still is not null, then you jump to here. Before jumping to next, you can also move from P to here P, and T jump here, right? So when let's you found this node, then you return not a T return the current node, and if you return P return the previous node. Is that logic clear? How you find whenever you are traversing from head to nest, to nest, to nest, to nest, you just hold one by the previous, that holding the previous node, that hold the previous node. Any doubt the with logics?
No, sir.
So let's write the code. So let's as usual write my linked list. and we have a node that just L, and let us create the same here, a static class node, because node is need only one. Okay, and let us we have this two one variable integer your element data whatever you say. Okay. And second your node next. Okay. And just as is you write a one constructor. Okay, correct. So this is our node. So as usual you have to write, first you have to create linked list add method. Okay, as usual let's it will get the data and say first whenever you create a node, new node equal to new node, and whatever the data part you just put a data, and what is the next, initially you don't know, so just write a null. Okay. And here you must check if your head is null, then that means this is the first node. So in first node you can say head equal to new node. Okay. And after that you can assign tail equal to initially your uh, new node. But what happen in the case of if you are adding the second element, go to the else part and just point tail dot n- next equal to your new node. So this is for only head part always, and this is in the case of head is not null, then you can always add link to the new node inside a tail. Excuse me. And just write so function. Just check our code works. Okay. So all as usual. Let's start node. Let's temp ss start with the head. Here write a while loop. Here you just check temp not equal to null. Okay, because you want to print head value as well as right. So you can say just out uh, just whatever the temp dot data part, and plus just make one arrow so that we, and once your loop complete, and after that you have to just check temp equal to temp next. Okay. Ju- okay, first you print your head data, and after that head next, temp next data until you're not equal to null, and just out one blank value. So here just check our code is works. Just create my linked list equal to new my linked list, and just say my linked list dot 8, let's 5, let's 2, let's 7, let's 9. Okay, and just say dot solve. Till now all is okay.
Yes.
Okay, but we are what we are new line written somehow. Somehow this should be so you can say in one line. So let's I want to remove this 7 no, data. Just add some more value. Okay, just let add. So let us think how we can remove this. Let's I want to remove this 9 element. Okay, want to remove 9. That means key whatever the 9 contain the address of 1. Okay, so this address whatever the 9 have, you can just place this address to the with the 7, so that 7 can link to the 1, and now it's automatically deleted. So first things, you have to find this element and the previous element. Let's write the code. So if I want to method like should be somehow uh, remove. Okay, remove, I want to remove, let's 9. So go to write remove method for it, remove it. It will take your int data. Okay, okay, okay. This is out key what value. So till now, you have to want to delete Ajay 9 element. Okay. So first we have to find this 9 node. What is the 9 node? And then we have to again find what is the previous node. Okay. And then we have to change the relationship from here to currently relationship here to here. Then you have to make relationship from 7 to 1. And so how to find the there would be method like void write a new code get node. Okay, this will return node. Okay, and you can just pass data and just write your while loop node temp initialize your header. Okay, if temp not equal to null, you can just move temp equal to temp dot next. Okay, so here you have to check if your temp dot data matched with the data, right? All equal to, right? If you find match, then return your same data. And if whole loop complete, still you not find node, then you just return key I not found, road return null. So till now, any problem key how to find the node,
Yes,
get
sir.
node, right?
I have to consider it as a Boolean variable Boolean found,
Yes, you can
and
write anyway, but here I want to get node. Okay, node as output. Okay,
yes,
data. So just let's print. You can say node found node. Okay, here for you only found node, and check just found node. Okay, and check if this found node is not equal to null. This should be not equal to null, right? Else you can say no, not found. Okay, कह सकते हैं राइट की डेटा not found in linked list. Okay, two scenario कि whatever the user want to remove, that node exists in the linked list or not exist. If Not exist, just give a message ki data not found in the linked list. If not, if you found data, okay, let's just check if you found data or not. Okay, let's run it. So you can say you have a found data. That's a good part. And if someone passed like here 19, if you want to remove 19 data, if there is a no any 19 data, you can say data not found. So instead of null, here write the something like a data. Okay. So here input data you just pass here, right? At least now we clear we are able to find the data part. But I need another method that return the what are the previous. Now find the 9 node, but you need to previous node. So let us write one method that return the previous node. Look like a same, but check name just change the previous node. So as so what happened in this here code? Here happen excuse me. Next, 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 next. So first you start your loop from head. Head means temp. This is your temp variable. You say temp not equal to null, not equal to null. Check data match, check data match, check data match. If data match, return this same node itself. Okay. If not match, temp equal to temp dot next. Now this temp become this. Okay. In again go to the next. You say if this data match, if this data match not match, then again go temp equal to temp next. Then you come here. Again say data matched or not matched. Data match or not matched. So in this way, we have only one variable that traversing from here to here to here. But let's keep this is our data matched. This is the data matched. Okay. So I return this node. Okay. But I don't want to return this node. I want to return the previous node if this. So we have make one other variable that is first point to here. When this variable moves to here, this don't move. Okay. And next time when variable this move to here, you then move this to here, right? That means ki they always same variable ahead with the previous one. So here simply say just node one previous. Okay. Let's initialize initially null. Okay. Previous assign null. So first time if data matched, that this will return the same. That means but here we have to return previous one. Okay. If data first data not matched, then we are moving temp to next temp. So before moving to this, here you can store previous equal to temp, right? And let's again run the loop. Let's we have a data node, 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 and node. Let's key these are the data. You can say our match data. Let's we want to find the 9. The first your header, you can start temp. This is the your temp variable, and this is the head. Previously head, previous variable, previous point to the null. They are not pointing to the any object. Okay, good. Check temp not equal to null. Yes, this is the not equal to null. Data match, data not match. Then go to the outside loop. Say previous equal to temp. Then previous equal to temp. That means that this is the temp previous also. Now temp equal to new temp. Now temp this come from temp here, right? So now previous is here, temp is the here, one ahead. Because here say previous equal to temp and then temp equal to temp dot new test. So now temp become a next temp. You match data, you match data. Let's this done not match. Then go to the again. So previous equal to temp. Now previous This now say previous equal to temp means here P. And now again say temp equal to next temp. Now this is the temp become next. Move to the here. Again you check here data match. Yes, data match. Then what return? This previous return. We return a previous. Any doubt with this previous?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, Kusprit?
No, sir. I have some doubt in the method we wrote above
Which one?
before this remove one, sir.
This is the blank. Till now they are not doing anything. Right? They are just invoking, checking your found node. You are able to found or not. Right?
Okay, sir.
In this method? Node. This one method. They just returning whatever the you data pass, those node exist or not in the linked list. Simply call this method and check whatever the user pass this input 9, in this input each exist, this node exists in my linked list or not. You say found linked list or not found linked list. Till now this function a method is not removing anything, right?
All right, sir.
Okay. So here let's you found data, then you can say let's get the previous. Okay, what is the previous data and just check what is the previous. Okay, check we found previous or not. Then the, yeah, 19, no 19 found. Let's change the, like I want to write a 9 so that at least data found first. So input data is this data found node. Yes, node 9 found. And what is the previous node? 7. This is the found node. This is the previous node. So now we are able to find this 5, 2, 7, 9, and then 1, and then all number. So user want to remove this 9. The first we going to find this 9 node exists in my linked list not. Yes, we found this is our 9. Okay. Then we also found what is the previous node. We found the previous node is a 7. Previous node 7. Now I want to remove this node. User want to remove this node. So whenever you remove this node, but this node contain the one important address about the link. Okay, about the next node. Okay, so you have to note what is the address of this. So found node, what is the address contain? This address you have to put in the here previous node. So currently previous node hold the address of 9, but now I want no previous address, previous node can hold the address of 1, so that from here they jump to the here, right? So what we have to, whatever the this node, whatever the this address, just place to here, copy address of found node, just copy to the previous node address. Is it clear the logic how to remove? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So let's write the code same. Here say now let's also check if previous node found or not. Okay, if this should not null. Okay, so if previous node uh, check, this is the previous node dot next. What put here? Just what is the found node? Found node dot next. This is the logic. What here you doing? This is your found node. This is your found node. Found node had something. This is your previous node. Okay, this is the node. They are linking to this. They are linking to the next. Okay, so what are doing here? Doing if previous node dot text, previous node dot here, next part. What you just wrote? Found node dot next. Put just this value. Assign here. Now our this node indirectly linked to the here because this is the address of here, and just test it. So this is the main logic to removing element from linked list. Run it. And you notice previously there were 9 nodes and now here 9 node remove. Okay, from 7 to previously jump to 9, now they jump from 7 to 1 because whatever the address of 9 we are placed to the 7 and now 7 jump to the 1. Any doubt to write?
Hello,
Sir,
Vivek.
Yes.
sir, what if the previous node is null? Then we will write previous node dot
No,
next will be header.
no, we cannot do anything because you cannot found the previous node. So okay, so let's you want to yes. Next scenario in this list I want to remove 5. Okay, this one, right? Then what happens? So here we have a two things. You write be specific method ki remove first, yeah, remove last. There is a two possibility. And third possibility here you can see if previous not found null. Let's ki I pass here like just I again call I want to remove this 5. Okay. Currently let's what happen. You notice previous node is null because you found node 5. What is the previous node? You are not finding any previous node because this is the first node. And what is the previous node? You don't found. Then
We can
what?
write, sir, else condition that if we write if condition previous node not null, and we can write else previous node is null or print something.
So here we have to think two logics. Let us I again jump here. First things I want to write one method. Just comment out. I want to first remove. Let's as yesterday, we have added method like add first. Similarly, I want to remove first. Remove first. How will remove first method? I want to remove the first element. So what happened? Let's here. This is your first element, next element, next element, next element. Okay. So if you want to currently know this address hold by header. So if you remove this element, then your header should be point to here, right? So that your linked list can be started here. Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So in this remove first, we have simply do whatever your head pointing to this node, now head pointing to the this node. So this is your remove first. Let's go to the here and just write void remove first. So here say whatever your head have, just change head dot next, and your remove first is done. Uh, okay, and now if you run, you find your first data is removed. You notice your first data is removed. Correct? Sometimes someone want to I remove the last data. So you think how to remove the last? We have this link. Okay, this link. I want to remove this one. How will do?
If we have to remove sir last one,
You know, how to remove this?
So get
So
a
same as
previous
it
node and
then I
yes,
think so.
go to the
Next
previous
node
node.
will yes.
Go to the previous node. Then what you will do?
Previous node dot
assign it as tail. We
no
will
yes.
get previous
Yes,
node will
currently
be
this is the
equal to
tail, right?
tail.
Currently this is the tail,
Or
right?
yes.
Correct.
Or we can write sir previous node dot next is equals to null.
Correct. And if you write this is the null, then what happened about the tail? Tail should be this, right?
Yes sir.
You have to change tail as well as. So this is the way. Let's check test it. Just let's write remove last. Okay. So here. So first we have a tail node, last node, right? But before you have to find the previous node, right? Right. So what you can say here, get previous node. Whatever the tail is the data, just give me. So they give me your previous node, right? Let's check this out. What is the previous? We are find the correct or not, right? So let's. So you know this is the your last is the 3 node. What is the previous node? 1. We found the previous node. Then what you going to set? Whatever the previous node, set null, right? Because here there is no any address. Okay. So in this way, simply say whatever the your I am going to remove the last node. So you can say this dot set next equal to null. And whenever you set the previous dot set null, then you can say now our tail equal to previous node in the your tail, right? Is it okay? This two line?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Here we are doing nothing. Just this is. Now this is the last node. This is the tail node. So first I find what is the tail node. Find the previous one. This is the previous one. Okay. Go to the next. Set null. Set null. Means there is no any linkage. And now just move tail to here. This is tail. Next time. Set null and change the tail. And if you run, you find this. Remove the last node. But now question, can I use the remove method itself to remove the first one not, right? Right here. Yes. And in this case, our first node is a 2. If you write this remove method, this will throw exception because the previous node not found. Right? Not found. So what do you think here? Now you are not finding the previous node. Then this means this is the your node found. Your node found. This means node exists in the linked list, but previous node found not found. That means this is the header. User want to remove head first. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Whatever the element you found, first you found the element. You found the element. But that element exists in the linked list. First things. Okay. But whenever I'm trying to say, okay, give me a previous node, the previous node they return null. That means user want to remove this header one. So we have two options. You can just invoke the remove header. You have already know header method how to remove. Is it okay? So
Yes.
else part you have option else if header if previous node is already null, then you say just invoke the remove first. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And if you notice, you are able to remove the here too also, right? Still now, any doubt? So just remove these all the things. Whatever node you want to remove, just find those node. If node found, then found the previous node. If previous node exists, just change the link. If previous node null, that means they want to remove the first. Then you use the remove first method. Let's check. Let's see someone pass like let someone pass want to. Let's add some more data here first. Okay? Let's add some more data. Dot add. Like again add 9. Again add like 3. Again add like 5. So this remove method can remove any data. Okay. Now here, okay, I want to now we are the last here. Okay, so all. So here I want to remove any data. I want to remove 7. If you pass the remove 7, it will remove 7. Okay. This means this function work as a remove first, right? It will remove 7. Okay. If you want to remove, let's I
So,
want to pass 5.
so how the
Then
remove first will work just once? Can you? We discussed like remove first means we have to remove header. So we will assign the next node as header,
yes,
and we
yes,
will remove that.
yes.
Uh,
Again, let's look. This is your linked list. Always this is the point your header. Okay.
yes.
This is the header. I want to remove this. That means I want our header should be this. No?
Yes.
Header should be this. So what you say? Whatever the header, just assign to the header.next. This is the header.next.
Yes.
So now this is new head. This is the only log. Header just move to next.
Okay. So this will be automatically removed
No, not remove. Just your header pointing to the next node. Whenever you start printing, you're always starting from head.
from header. Yes.
Currently we your header pointing to this first node. Okay, so they are printing from here to here. Now
Yes.
you say header not pointing to this, header pointing to the this. So whenever you start reading, you are starting reading from here. This node is not used. So indirectly, this is the removed. In the linked list, for removing any element, we are not doing anything for this node. Just changing the link from here to here. This is not used object. Whenever garbage collector run, remove this object automatically. Right?
Yes.
Is it clear? Ki how to remove first? Means ki just change header from here to header here. How to do? Just change the head equal to head nest. Remove first. Okay. Simply say this. Just assign header to the nest header. This is the remove first. Is it clear?
Yes.
So in this way, yes, any doubt with any other point?
No, sir.
There one question here. Ki I want to removing element on the basis of your data. Okay, if you run it, can be someone ask ki I want to remove the third position data, yeah, second position data. Not the I don't know the what is the data, but
Position means what means next to suppose in line 1 5 2 7 9 1 3. So third position means after 2, because sir, the positions are in array, and here we can't say this is position.
But you can't say position, but I know ki this is, as a human being, if you read this, so you can say this is the first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is five, this is six, right? Okay. So if you want to, let's say I want to remove the fourth one data, this data, but I don't pass the data, I pass the position. This is the position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5. I want to remove position 3. Here currently remove is working for your data. What data exists in the linked list? But let's, so I have a linked list object. I don't know which data I want to remove, but I want to third place data I want to remove. Whatever is in third place. Right?
Yes,
So how will think? How will do?
sir, we will like uh, pass the data after which we have to remove. So like we have to remove after 2, which is 7. So we will just like 2 dot next, it will point to 9.
Let's, I want to remove this third. Okay. Yeah,
Here
let's
sir,
add.
the node which contain 9, so it the next of that node will point to 5.
Yes. Just I want to remove this element 3. Means ki from I output I want to 1, 9, 5. Okay. Let's add some more data here, like this. Let's, I added some more data, like 13, added 31. Okay. So now this is the final linked list. Okay. And I want to remove this 5, but I don't want to pass this 5. I want to know, okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth position data should be removed. Let us, I write a function like this way. I want to remove fourth, but fourth is not data. Fourth, you can say position. Remove 4 position data. 4 position. Remove at. Let's, I want to this method kind of. This 4 is not a data. 4 is a index. 4 is a position, you can say. Whatever the terminology you can give it. So let's think how you can solve the problem. Let us write like a void remove, and it will take a position. Okay. Any thoughts come in your mind how to think? Just I want to remove the fourth position data. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to remove this. So as usual, first you have to check whatever the user given this value is under our linked list or not. Right? If in our case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data only. Let's keep, they want to remove the position number 14. Let's want to say you want to remove the position number 40. Are you able to remove? There is no 14 position data. Right? So first we have to add check whatever the user given the position is less than our linked list size, you can say. So you know how to calculate the size of linked list? Just select one method, void size. That return the linked list size. So as usual, just run while loop until head is net, right? Temp equal to header, and you say temp not equal to null. Just move temp equal to temp dot next, and just return, just take one count variable. Okay? Count initially should be 0 and just make count plus plus, right? And return the count. In this way, you find the list of your size of your linked list. Any doubt? Any question with this method? Finding the size?
No, sir.
Let's print it. Integer size equal to, just invoke a size and just check. So first, whatever the position user given, you have to check user position must be less than our size. The first condition you apply, if position should be less than your size, right? Else you can say position is out of your linked list size. Okay? Position is out of linked list. Okay. Input position. So first check you apply. If less than do something else, you cannot do anything. Is it clear? But here what we can do. So let's key now user pass. Let's key I want to pass the position 4. Let's key I want to position 4. So you know key whenever you want to remove any node, I want to eh, I want to remove this fourth 5. Okay. So you have to find this node first, right? At this fourth position, what is the node? The first code, find the node at the fourth position. And whenever you find node, you find previous and just change the link. Is it correct? You write one method that find the node for a given position. Is it okay? So you write a method that give me the node at the position. So get node at position, and let's your position. Same, run while loop. Just start your node temp equal to head, and you say if temp not equal to null, then you can say the question is that here you run while loop or what is it? This is the position. Let's position 4. Then you run to loop 0 to 4 times. So instead of while loop, here we can loop, let's as usual for loop. For loop less than your position. You don't run your loop till end of the linked list. You know this is the position fourth. They want to this fourth node only. You run loop from to fourth and just say temp equal to temp dot next, and we just after that just return temp, right? You have position, the same position you just traverse from this to this to this to this. Now you are getting the node and return the node once you loop out the loop. Let's print it here. Get node at a position. Let's pass the position. Let's see what the node we got. Node at a position. So you know position is 4. Fourth, you are finding the position 13. That means ki we started loop from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This return, but I want to return 4. Our loop should be less than 1. Is it right?
Yes.
Or yeah, you can say your loop is start from 1 because here I am considering 1, here I am starting 0. In generally, you can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth position. If you consider this way, it will okay. If someone says, no, no, I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, this should be removed. So just let's, you also start 1, you can get the exit position what you want. Now you're getting 5. So that's the way you are counting. So generally, whenever we are doing programming, the always counting is start with a 0, so we starting with a 0, right? Or you can do not an issue, right? But the logic is clear. You want to find the node at a specific position. That means the same time you run the next, eh, same time, and then you found the node. Once you found the node, you can easily remove. Just use the now you found the node. Just you can say remove. You are already written a method. Just your this data you pass dot data. Now it will remove. You use already your written method to remove the data, and now you notice we have removed. Now you notice this fifth value is removed. Is it clear?
Yes.
When once your concept is clear, you can do easy. This method again you reuse again. Just you need to find the particular position data. So let's try the multiple permutation combination with you. Lots of question you can think. Okay.
Sir.
Sir.
Yes. Any question?
No, sir.
Yes, Kusprit.
No, sir.
Need practice. Please do
Yes, sir.
practice as how much doing practice it will feel so comfortable. You are not doing practice. Whenever I am teaching you at that time, it will very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
But whenever you writing, it will like a very tough.
Yes.
This is
Sometimes we
only
stuck at some point and we don't know how to move now.
so as usual number of practice you're doing, you'll getting a lots. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
So let's try this combination and just like we have removed any position data or remove first or remove last or remove any data. Similarly, we have do all the same operation for add, uh, similarly for remove. And one more operations here still you will try to sort your linked list. Okay. Or search any data exists or not. You write two method, right?
Yes, sir.
Searching any element in linked list exists or not. This is
Yes.
right one search
And
method.
for sorting, we can use that bubble sort
Yes,
or
you can use the bubble sort. Simple and easiest way, right?
yes, sir. Thank you,
Let's
sir.
try. If not found, I'll help you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but you must try it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Anything for the day?
No, sir.
Let's thank you then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.